In this tutorial, we will discuss how to apply for an ePlanReview. The example that I will provide is an HPA, which is an Hydraulic Plan Analysis Plan Review. Log into your WSSC ePermitting website as usual, click Log On, enter your email address and password, then click Log On again. On your home screen, please navigate to Developer Plans. On this drop-down, you will be given a list of developer plans that you can choose from. Again, the example that I will provide is an HPA, which is an Hydraulic Planning Analysis Plan Review. Please note that this example can also be used for the other permits on this drop-down, including a DRP, GOV, MSU, SEP, and SU. Also note that on this drop-down, you are also able to perform a plan search. Please select the plan of your choice. Please note that the fields with a red circle next to them are required for entry. The fields without a red circle next to them are not required for entry. However, please enter the information to the best of your ability with accurate information so that WSSC can expedite your permit process. The ePermitting system cannot save an application that is in process. So please note that if you would like to start an application, you must complete it at this time. Please fill out the fields as applicable. Please do not forget to use the navigation bar at the right-hand side of the screen to make sure that you are filling out all of the information. Once you have entered all the given information, please click Next to proceed. Also note that at any given time during your application, you are able to go back by clicking Previous. Next, you will be asked to search for a contact. WSSC highly recommends that you read the instructions before selecting a contact. Please select the person who will be submitting the electronic files to WSSC for the initial submission and all subsequent resubmissions on this project for plan reviews. The engineer contact type must be indicated for this person. And please note, any person wishing to make an online payment for review fees must register for a user ID and password in the ePermitting system. All registered users will be made available under Contacts after initial verification by the WSSC personnel. To add a contact, click the Search button, enter the first name and last name or partial information, then click Search. When your person is found, click on the yellow folder icon to select, indicate a contact type, then indicate the person as a billing contact if applicable. You must select all potential persons who may make an online payment for this permit. To add additional contacts, click Search again. If you have any questions regarding the plan review submittals, please call WSSC Permit Services Unit at 301-206-8650. You will now be asked to search for an address or add an address. WSSC highly encourages you to read the instructions before selecting an address. Either the actual job site address or the property's address, as listed on the property tax records where the work is being performed, is sufficient for many plan review, also known as a plan case, submittal request because of the large area and multiple properties that can be involved in a project. WSSC also suggests that you select Add Address while applying for a plan review. Enter the address information, the street number and name. Please select an address type and also street number and name. Please note that these fields are required for entry. You are also able to modify or edit and add any information in these applicable fields. Do not forget to choose a state. Once you have selected an address, click Next to continue. You will now be asked to add an attachment. Certain project types require an attachment. As we apply for an HPA, this in fact does require an attachment. Please click Add Attachment and attach your vicinity map for WSSC records. Your vicinity map has now been attached. You can now click Finish to complete the process. Your data has been submitted and is now being processed. The following identification number has been generated. Please click OK to exit the dialog box.